Welcome to Skovision training videos. My name's Doug. Today's lesson will be how to capture your school development plan in Skovision. This will be a start to finish tutorial for you, and you should at the end of this video have successfully entered your school development plan in Skovision. The first thing we're going to do is start at the desktop area, where we're going to choose Internet Explorer to go into Open Skovision. You'll want to ensure that you're logged in as yourself on the computer in order for the credentials to line up when Skovision opens. On a PC, Internet Explorer is the preferred browser. On a Mac, Safari would be the preferred browser. So we open up a new window here, and then up in the address we're going to type in https://devplans.cbe.ab.ca, so devplans.cbe.ab.ca. I just have to make a slight adjustment because I'm using a training area. And what will happen is Skovision will appear for you. On a Mac, you may have to enter your network credentials one more time. Go ahead and do that. And then this screen, the home screen of Skovision, should welcome you. It should say welcome in your name at the top in white letters. It should also identify you along the top in the green area as well as your role. What we're going to do then to enter information into your plan is to go into the plan overview area. This is down the left-hand side. First, please notice that your school should be listed under the words development plan. If you see something else like Calgary Board of Education, then it's important to go and change it to your school. You make sure you do that by going to view another plan and choosing my organization. So in here, then, I know I'm using Collingwood School as an example, and I'm going to choose the plan overview button. The screen will refresh and we'll come back with the template that we've set up for you so that you're able to enter information from your school development plan at this point. We are still working same as last year with the Apple system, so we've got the mega end is the one we're going to be working under, and then of course student success is the Apple in which we will unpack to add our school development plan. There are two ways to see all the different levels. One is to go step by step. Click on the caret beside any given item. It will open up one more level down. If we right click on any given area, we will get a choice that says expand, and we'll click on expand, and that will expand the entire apple. You can see in our instructions that we've set it up so that you can go and enter your school outcome, your achievement goal, your theory of action, and your instructional goal, whichever you'd like to do in whichever order. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to start with school outcome. So I'm going to go to the word school outcome in the capital letters, and I'm just going to click on it. Again, the screen will disappear and will reappear with the screen that allows you to enter in the outcome. You'll note that you're in the outcome area because of the white lettering at the top and the green that says school outcome. Where you actually enter the information is in the outcome box, where you can swipe it out and put in your school outcome here. For the sake of this, I will just put test school outcome. Nothing else really needs to change on this particular screen. You could, if you wanted, change the school principal to a team if you'd rather. You can also see under the timeline that we've chosen from August 1st of this year to July 31st of next year. And those are basic parameters, can be changed after the fact. At this point, you'll have your school outcome labeled, and we can do a save and close. That's the button up here. I'll click that. Each of these buttons will take us then back to the plan overview. I'm going to unpack the student success apple again here by right-clicking and doing expand. And now, in place of put your school outcome here, you'll now see the school outcome that you've replaced it with, in our case, test school outcome. The next one we're going to jump down to is the theory of action. You should have your theory of action prepared and ready to enter into Skovision at this point. So again, I'm going to left click on theory of action to bring up that area. It is listed as a strategy in Skovision. So here, similar process, we're just going to put in your theory of action in this box, and I will just put test theory of action. And you can see some instructions underneath that say save, and then click on the Actions tab to enter your instructional goal. I'm going to click the Save button. That will keep me on the same page. Save and Close, which is this button next to it, will take you back to your plan overview. But now I've saved this information. The direction then to enter your instructional goal is to click on the Actions tab to enter it. So I'm going to do that. I'll click on the Actions tab within my Theory of Action. And here you'll see the instructions. Enter your instructional goal. So what we're going to do is over on the right hand side there's an edit button, and we've prepared this template so that you can go in and make a change rather than having to start fresh. So I will click on the edit button, and this will open editable fields. So instead of instructional goal, enter your instructional goal here, I am going to just type in my instructional goal. In this case, I'll put again test instructional goal. There's some more instructions here that say complete expected results, save using the save button to the right. Now here we've just filled this in with principal, and again the start date. You may want to swipe that and change it to your name or whoever's going to own this particular instructional goal. Your status can change as well if you'd like, from draft to in progress, and your expected results should go in at this point as well. You're going to see to the right, and you may have to scroll to see it, a save button that's been highlighted. This is where you need to save your action to make the change. I'm going to click that at this point. It's going to save it, and now it's not editable again. That's how you know it's saved. So now you've made a change there, and you've added your instructional goal. Further instructional goals can be added in the same way by choosing the next open line and choosing the edit button at that point. Now I've entered my theory of action, and I've entered my instructional goal, and I'm going to save and close. This is going to take me back to the plan overview. Once again, we're going to unpack the student success apple by right-clicking and choosing Expand. And now you're going to see a couple of changes that you've just finished making. As well as having a school outcome that we did earlier, you're going to see your theory of action is now displayed in the theory of action area, and your instructional goal, in our case test instructional goal, is now going to be in this area here. You've now completed 3 of the 4 steps for your school development plan to be entered in Skovision. The last step is going to be to add your achievement goal. So I am going to again go up to the area I'd like to work in, and I will just left click on achievement goal. We've put this one in the measures area because you will be setting targets and parameters for your achievement goal. You can see the measure has come up now, achievement goal, and again we've given the instruction enter your achievement goal here. So I will just enter my test achievement goal. And we can see some more information here, setting targets below. You can click on the Outcomes tab and connect your measures to your school outcome. Go to the Results page to see initial data and save. So there is a separate tutorial on how to set targets and measures, and I would refer you to that either in Skovision or off of the home page in the Tutorials section. I've created my achievement goal at this point. I can change the person responsible if I need to as well, and some more information. But at this point I've got that done. I'm going to do a save and close. The last step in the process is again back at the plan overview page. We're going to expand the student success area, and this will be your final check that you've entered the 4 pieces of information accurately. Under school outcome, you should now see your school outcome that you've entered. Under your achievement goal, you should see your achievement goal that you've entered. Under your theory of action, under strategies, you should now see your theory of action displayed. And under instructional goal, you should see your instructional goal, or goals if you've entered more than one. If you find there's a problem with any of these areas, then you simply can left click on each one again to reopen that part of the plan, and you can add the information there. If you require further assistance or would like to request another training video, please contact us at devplans@cbe.ab.ca. Thanks.